was wearing a rainbow snakeskin.
Yeezy just up over, but that is factual. Yeezy just up over Yeezy.
The Pirate Bays, one of the OG Adidas Yeezy originals. Wow. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Hopefully you subscribe. Today I want to talk about some of my favorite Adidas sneakers that I own that is not a Yeezy. I feel like every time we talk about Adidas, it has to do something with Kanye West and the Yeezy brand. Which is not wrong, you know what I mean? I have no problem with it. Y'all know I'm 94% hype beast. But there's some Adidas sneakers out there that need to be shown some love. Today I'm going to talk about some of my favorites that I owned. If you have any in the comment section below you want to add, please feel free to do so. There's certain joints that I want to get back to or I may have missed. But yeah, man, without further ado, let's get it. Pharrell, man, you gotta give him love. When these first HUNMDs jumped on the scene, it was crazy. Similar to the Kanye West hype, the hype was real. The first pair, I think the yellow racers, I think they were called. Go look at StockX right now, see what they're reselling for. Crazy. But yeah, I own a couple of pairs of these. And these sneakers are so dope. Comfortable. The design is just beautiful. So one Yeezy non-Adidas sneaker that needs to be talked about more is the Pharrell HUs. I mean, they have dropping because they've been coming out too much, and I already know what I say. With Adidas, they find something that click, and they keep on clicking. And that would be the demise of a sneaker. These are not sought after as they used to be, but they're still dope in my eyes. Shout out to Pharrell. Another Adidas shoe that's non-Yeezy that has such much hype. How can we forget? The Jeremy Scott era, man. He had monkeys, pigs, dollar signs, and colorful snakeskin. Fat tongues. Matter of fact, let me show you how to complete this. The tongue spelled out Adidas. Fat tongue, SB style. Got him. Well, not really, but big, thick, fat tongue, red Adidas, colorful snakeskin, man. I can't believe I brought these, but I guess back in the days they were dope. At the time, these money wing joints were just out of control, man. They did restock, I want to say like 6 months ago around Thanksgiving, but I didn't bite because I still had the original. Man, Jeremy Scott was wild, man. And this looks like Loki. A little bit. So yeah, man, another non-Yeezy that had hype of the town, Jeremy Scott's, man. The next sneaker that I felt was so dope, but I don't own anymore. I actually gave it to my uncle because he was in love with the sneaker. Was the Pusha T Oswego or Oswego or Oswego. I never knew how to pronounce that, but yeah, that sneaker was dope, man. It came in a Pyrex wrapping paper. You know Pusha T. If you listen to Pusha T, you know what his music is about, and that's one I wish I would have kept. That sneaker was dope. Shout out to you guys because I wasn't like up on Oswego's, and y'all told me the only reason that sneaker wasn't hype was because it was an Adidas silhouette that already existed, and all Pusha T did was put a signature on it. Shouts out to y'all for that, man. But yeah, that was one non-Yeezy sneaker that I actually really liked. Another one, y'all already know, comes from my man Dame Lillard, man. He ain't playing this year, he hurt, but these bait, Dame Lillard, I think 6s? I'm not sure, but I know I got these 2 All-Star weekends ago in LA. I wanted the red pair so much, but I happened to bump into the regular camo color, and dope, man. This sneaker is a dope Adidas, man. Real talk. Let's get into it a little bit. You got the bait letters there, the bait camouflage all through the sneaker, the shark teeth, the nice boost technology. Very dope, man. The inside has more bait character. And besides the Adidas Dame bait joint, y'all already know, if y'all go back in the archives, look at my top 10 sneakers of 2021, it has to be the bait shell toe joints. I owned that sneaker 4 times last year and just couldn't keep it because I couldn't find the shorts that matched that camo anywhere. And then when I did find them, I think they wanted like $600 for them. So I gave the sneaker up to someone in a nice home that's going to wear them. I knew I never was going to wear them. But that bait Adidas shell toe is super dope. I even thought it had like, it could have been in the top 10 of sneakers of last year. I'm still mad I sold it. I'm going to check StockX. As soon as this video is over, I'm buying that sneaker back. I really, really like that sneaker. The presentation on the box. Yeah, man, I'm going back to get that sneaker. Mark my words. Y3. So another Adidas that's a non-Yeezy that I feel like is dope is the Y3. And really, I'm like 90% on these sneakers. It's only like 10% of them sneakers that I wouldn't wear. But like the luxury, the leather, the mesh mix, the Y3 stamp, the mesh again, leather on the tongue. Y3 is just like, it's like the Louis Vuitton version of Adidas when they want to get together and do things right. So this right here is the all orange, what was these called? Kawujo or Kyojo. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that. If you know how to pronounce that, please help me out in the comment section below. But yeah, I think these retail for like $240. Look, the joint even has a button. Wow, that was new, because this, I'm telling you, this is like 8 years ago. So that they were new to that. They were first to that. But yeah, just enough. Y3 is just like, it's dope, man. So that's another Adidas that has hype that I really like that's not a Yeezy. Well, this is not Adidas. But Sean Weatherspoon did one shoe with Nike, and now he's with Adidas. And if you look in the archives, you can see how many reviews I did for the latest Sean Weatherspoon Earth joints. The one with the book bag on the shoe. I'll put some of the links up here so you can check those out. I haven't kept none. Those sneakers were like, they were too wild for me. Especially the shoestring ones that might have you tripping. I tried to keep those. I had them in a black colorway and I had them in a white colorway. I just felt like they was too wild for me. So those are not my favorites, but that is a hype Adidas that's not a Yeezy. Don't get me wrong, we love Kanye over here, man. I'm just trying to give more light to the brand besides it just being a Yeezy joint, even though he is the reason Adidas is up there now, man. Let me know how y'all feel in the comment section below about some of the sneakers I showed y'all. Again, if y'all have some silhouettes, some colorways, some Adidas sneakers that y'all think are also dope that I don't know about, don't be shy. Comment section below. I'll hit you right back, man. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich. Why did you leave, Sean?